folks, and welcome to Barnadown Model Railway, and this is video number 3. In today's video we're going to be dealing with installing the Backscene and also the Inclines. I'm also painting the baseboards a mocha brown so that when I eventually get round to putting scenery in, that you won't ever see any bare baseboard beneath the scenery. So the next sequence of videos is time-lapse videos showing me painting and also installing the scenery, and then moving on to installing the inclines. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. So for those of you that are curious about what glues I've used for sticking the Backscene onto the vertical uprights, I've used this heavy duty adhesive spray. Now in hindsight I probably wouldn't use that again, because the instructions say basically that you should spray both surfaces, the vertical upright but also the Backscene, now, and leave it for 2 minutes. I did that on the first roll of the Backscene and it was very tacky. It was really tacky, in fact, and if you didn't get it on right in the first instance, it was very hard to get it off. So I'd probably use something less tacky than this for the next time. As regards the inclines, I've used Fix-All, which is something that I found on Screwfix, and when I did a search for it, what I searched for was basically to find out something that would bond foam to any surface, and this does the job very well. It's a little bit messy, that's all, and it does, have a high tackiness pretty instantly. It does allow you to move the inclines if you need to, up to about 15 minutes, I'd say, or less than that, and it was good. It's up to you, but a lot of other YouTubers will use PVA glue or something like that, and I just thought I'd try this out, and it's worked, and thankfully I don't have to do any more inclines unless I change the layout in the future. Okay, hope that was useful. Thanks. So now the Backscene is installed, as you can see, and it's not looking too bad at all. A bit of white line down the bottom, but that's fine. I'll cover that over with scenery, and I've loose laid the foam there for the inclines. So you can see over on the left hand side it came up a little bit short, but again I'll put some scenery there. The next sequence is me installing the inclines. Enjoy. So folks, that's the end of the video now, and it's nice to have the Backscene and the inclines installed. The next video will deal with laying some track mat and installing the branch line, which will complete the circuit around the main board. And you know, I want to get some trains running on that for the next video. So the next video will be in 3 weeks time, and I hope you like this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do leave them at the end of the video, or sorry, in the comments below. And yeah, I'll respond to all comments. Till next time, take care. Bye.